Good day, everyone. You all are welcome. The picture you are seeing attached to this video was a post made by Daily Post Nigeria. This is what they said. Despite the publicity given to the IGBO unification movement, IUM, held in Asaba, it witnessed a flaw as confirmed by the Delta State government. Except for Senator Nwoko, who represents Delta North in the Senate, all other lawmakers and government functionaries from Igbo-speaking states abandoned the event. This news came up on the 30th of August 2025, which is the second day of our conference. Well, I'm using this medium to thank everyone that came to that conference, everyone that came to grace that conference. May Chukwu bless you all. Now, this thing that Delta State government said, we have to look at it from two angles. It's either na Daily Post Nigeria, na just talk am, or na Delta State government talk am. Now, to Daily Post Nigeria, that conference was never a political conference. We never told anyone that this conference is political, that we want politicians to come to that conference. We not invite politicians to come to that conference. It's not a political gathering. We all in this country knows that any movement where they say now to liberate people, now to teach people, now to do good things for the people, to open the people eyes, propaganda will start to the fly. Just imagine. The right say no politicians from the southeast came to the occasion. Did we tell you that it's a political gathering? We are uniting Igbo people, not politicians. We not say politicians make una come make we unite. We are saying Ndi Igbo, come, let's unite. The reason why we invited Delta State government is for them to know that this big occasion they happen for your states. So your presence is needed to open the ceremony. That's all. We didn't tell Delta State government to come, that we are inviting all the senators in the southeast, that we are inviting all the representatives in the southeast, that we are inviting politicians. We not tell them anything like that. All we told them is come and open the ceremony. And which they did. You people just started spreading the news saying that the IGBO BU OFU conference 2025 was a flop. Do you know the meaning of the word flop? Flop means total failure. Just come out the talk say conference. When makes sense like say tomorrow no day. Now they come out the talk say na flop. Now flop say politicians no come. Abi? Did we tell you that it's a political conference? The owner of Daily Post Nigeria is a Yariba person. Now Yariba person get am, go and check. It's owned by a Yariba person. So anything Igbo in it not go sweet them. They go just want find one thing post. Make people start to laugh themselves. They thought say, Igbo unification conference is a flop. Who tell you say na politicians will unite us? Politicians cannot unite us. Now we go unite ourselves. Politicians will not build road for their people. Will not give their people light. Now want unite people. All this Yariba media now to they spread propaganda. They spread propaganda. That is all they do. Conference never finish. Now don't they post in a flop because of say politicians not there. In this country called Nigeria, any movement that you are doing, make sure that politicians are not involved, because politicians are looking for a way to hijack that movement, to make sure that that movement dies. Now, to the government of Delta State, if it's true that you people said this, did we tell you that IGBO BU OFU conference 2025 was a political gathering? So they're not invited una for something make una come if not be political gathering. This is the problem with black people. Something they happen for your state, we invite you, say make you come open this ceremony. You start to they go online, they tell people say Igbo unification conference 2025 was a flop. Did we tell you it's a political gathering? Must everything be political to you people? Because many people when not get sense online, I go see that post, they happy. The conference was a flop, mumu people. Go online and see how that conference is trending. Even up till today, it's still trending. The Igbo race is happy that the Igbo are uniting. Okpanam people came to the conference saying that they are Igbo people. Ika people came to the conference saying that they are Igbo people. Igbos indigenous in 13 Nigeria states came to that conference saying that they are Igbo people. Igbos in Benue, Igbos in Kogi, Igbos in River States, everywhere they came to that conference saying that they are Igbo people. If no Igbo politicians, they invited and say, come and grace this conference. They will just go, do what they want to, come up for that place. But if not black people, problem. They want to make sure say everything politician food that place. This is why government is never close to the people. When I do the carry on ourselves, I say on be the supreme being. Delta State government no fit go conference, grace something, come up for that place. Very simple thing. If to say this Igbo unification conference really sweet una no go come online talk this thing. If to say this conference we do na Uroba and Isoko conference, say Uroba and Isoko people come together, talk say they be one people. As if you say Delta State government, na Urobo people they be, you go sweet them. You will never see them come online and call it a flop. They will never call it a flop because it's for their own benefit. But this time we say, na Igbo people. Now why wanna come online they talk all these things? We have to be telling you people the truth. Senator Nwoko that came to that conference, we not invite them. In that brochure, Senator Nwoko picture not there for our brochure. Go and check. Senator Nwoko came there and he was saying that his picture is not even in that brochure. At least make we tell show say our senator where be say he dey agitate for Anyoma state. Make we put in picture there to honor him, to congratulate and say he dey do something that is very good for Anyoma people. We not put in picture for them because why? We not want make it be say we dey involve ourselves with politics. In that conference, we apologize to Senator Nwoko. Say make you not say we not put in picture for our brochure. This is to show that we did not invite politicians. Our conference now like tomorrow. Senator Nena today, he see the information say we won't do conference. Senator Nwoko came to that conference uninvited. We not invite him. Now he come by himself. This is proof that it's not a political gathering. And you people were there when he was saying it. Yet when I come online, they talk say the conference was a flop. The conference not a flop. It was a great success. If now Robo events, when I not go talk am, say na flop. If now Isoko events, when I not go talk am, say na flop. This is to show that so many politicians are not happy that Igbos are uniting. Everything not be politics. If the people in your state call you to open a ceremony, go there, open ceremony, come up for that place. Don't be making a go online, they talk say na flop, say other politicians not come. We return on this in case of next time. If person not come meet una tell una say make una come grace this conference because of the way the conference dey massive reach, una go talk say why did they do such a thing? They did not tell us. They can't tell una come and they talk say na flop. We are here to tell you that that conference was never a flop. Something where they just do for your state, you don't go online, they talk say na flop, say it not make sense, this and say na total failure. Your own state, oh, not be say you go another person's state. IGBO BU OFU conference 2025 was so successful. The conference too sweet. That conference is one of a kind. That conference have made history. A conference that brought the indigenous Igbos in 13 Nigeria states together to identify as one people. Those that are spreading propaganda should desist from that act. And Delta State government and other governments in Nigeria should know that everything is not politics. If person invite you say come grace that conference and go. They not tell you say make you come see a political gathering. It's share worry.